Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda GL1800 Goldwing. This is an 1832cc flat 6, liquid cooled, shaft drive, fuel injection. It's got cruise control, reverse gear, AM/FM stereo, ride height adjustment. It's got intercom system for your passenger, front rider and passenger. Gorgeous silver metallic 30th anniversary model. If you have been waiting for a clean, beautiful, low-priced Goldwing, wait no longer. It's here. Come on down, take advantage. Only $12,999. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. This bike is in beautiful condition. 2005 Goldwing. Only 26,955 miles. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.